Welcome to the Learn American English channel, where you learn naturally so you can speak naturally.
In this video, we're going to learn about some utensils we use in the kitchen. Apron. Apron. Wear an apron when cooking to protect your clothes. Bowl. Bowl. Use a bowl to make the pancake mix. Bread basket. Bread basket. The bread basket is big enough for 2 loaves. Cake stand. Cake stand. The cake looks pretty on the cake stand. Cleaver. Cleaver. A cleaver is a very large, sharp knife for cutting meat. Coffee grinder. Coffee grinder. Put the coffee beans in the coffee grinder. Cookbook. Cookbook. A cookbook has many delicious recipes. Cutting board. Cutting board. Use a cutting board to chop vegetables. Dish towel. Dish towel. Wash your hands, then dry them with the dish towel. Dishwasher. Dishwasher. Using the dishwasher makes life so much easier. Egg timer. Egg timer. Use the egg timer when boiling eggs. Freezer. Freezer. Food in the freezer lasts a long time. Fryer. Fryer. Use a deep fryer to cook the French fries in oil. Fruit bowl. Fruit bowl. The fruit bowl with apples, oranges, and bananas sits on the counter. Funnel. Funnel. Use a funnel to pour liquids into a small bottle. Gravy boat. Gravy boat. Serve the sauce in a gravy boat on the side. Griddle. Griddle. I cook the pancakes on the griddle. Hot plate. Hot plate. A hot plate keeps food warm after it is cooked. Ice cream scoop. Ice cream scoop. Put the ice cream scoop in warm water before using it. Juicer. Juicer. Use a juicer to squeeze fresh oranges into juice. Kitchen table. Kitchen table. We eat meals at the kitchen table. Knife. Knife. A knife can be sharp. Be careful. Lid. Lid. A lid goes on top of the pot. Matches. Matches. Use the matches to light the candles on the dinner table. Measuring spoon. Measuring spoon. A set of measuring spoons is necessary for baking. Mixing bowl. Mixing bowl. I need a big mixing bowl for the cookie dough. Mold. Mold. I use a mold to make Jell-O salad. Muffin pan. Muffin pan. You can make 12 cupcakes in a muffin pan. Nutcracker. Nutcracker. You can break the walnuts quickly with this nutcracker. Oven. Oven. You can bake cakes in the oven. Paper towel. Paper towel. Wipe up spills with a paper towel. Pepper shaker. Pepper shaker. The pepper shaker matches the salt shaker. Platter. Platter. A platter is a big plate for serving meat and vegetables. Pot. Pot. Cook the soup in a big pot for the large party. Rolling pin. Rolling pin. Use a rolling pin to make a pie crust. Roasting pan. Roasting pan. Cook a turkey in a large roasting pan. Saucer. Saucer. Put the coffee cup on a saucer. Spoon. Spoon. You eat soup with a spoon. Stove. Stove. Most stoves have 4 places on the top for cooking. Sugar bowl. Sugar bowl. Our mother sets the sugar bowl out when we eat cereal. Tongs. Tongs. Use tongs when you're grilling meat on the barbecue. Vegetable peeler. Vegetable peeler. Take the skin off a potato with a vegetable peeler before cooking it. Waffle iron. Waffle iron. You need to oil the waffle iron before using it. Zester. Zester. Use a zester to cut off parts of an orange peel for a recipe. You can learn the words even better if you watch the video again. Thank you for watching the Learn American English channel, where you learn naturally so you can speak naturally. Please click the like button and subscribe to our channel to see more videos like this one.